These DynaTrap 210509 Watt UV light bulb replacements are designed specifically for the DynaTrap Flylight models DT3009, DT3019, and DT3039. They're essential for keeping your DynaTrap running effectively, as they emit the attractive glow UV light that attracts those pesky flying insects. Now, a key point here is the replacement schedule. DynaTrap recommends changing these bulbs every 3,000 hours, which translates to roughly every 4 months. That might seem frequent, but it's crucial for maintaining the trap's performance. A worn-out bulb will significantly reduce the number of insects it can attract. The 2-bulb pack is convenient, allowing you to have a spare on hand and avoid any downtime in your insect control efforts. In my experience, these replacement bulbs do make a noticeable difference. After swapping in a fresh bulb, the trap's effectiveness definitely improved. It's a simple process. Just make sure you unplug the unit before changing the bulb. One thing to consider is the cost over time. While the initial price of the 2-pack isn't exorbitant, replacing them every 4 months can add up. However, if you live in an area with a high volume of flying insects, the cost might be justified by the relief you get from having fewer bugs buzzing around. Overall, these DynaTrap replacement bulbs are a necessary purchase to keep your DynaTrap insect trap working at its best. Just remember that regular replacement is key for optimal performance. If you're looking to maximize your indoor insect control, keeping a supply of these bulbs on hand is a smart move.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.